Okay, Windows here. I hope my screen is visible for you.
Yes, sir.
Good. Going to D drive. There MD, MD. And you test that's already there. There test what it is there. My test is is the chicken. Now clear. Code door. Or else what I may do? I may apply Docker in. Maybe you know Git in it. Everybody know, right? Monica, you tell me what is the use of Git in it?
It will initialize the packages that we need to use Docker.
Asking Git in it. See, if I type here Git, are you able to see somewhere Git in it? In
Yes,
it?
sir.
What they written?
Yeah, it creates an empty repository in local.
That you need to tell. Okay, got it? Good.
Yes.
In the same way, I am going to use Docker in it. Docker, see something you need, let us know. Yes. See here, DIR. See what happens here. It initializes all the required resources. It initializes all the required resources. I'm going to use will now clear for any everyone. So I'm going to select this, right click, going to open an integrated terminal. There for your easy understanding what I meant Docker only, right? I hope here it is there. Tomorrow morning, may go with Linux with the map. Until now clear. There I'm going to click open chart. Open chart. What happened this? Going to command prompt. Now CLS. Please observe here what I am writing. One is trying to join. Madhavi, good evening. See, today, today, very good evening. Very good evening. Okay, thank you. Please mute it. See, our main aim is yesterday we completed Docker image commands. Everybody agree with me? Any doubt regarding Docker image commands? Anyone facing any difficulty? If no, I may move on to Docker file instructions. Today we'll try to finish Docker file instructions. It may take nearly 1.5 hours for this. There's even list me all the Docker instructions. List me all the Docker instructions. So you are able to see the instructions. Here we finished maybe little means from we finished maybe label we used, run we used, CMD we used, even you may see an expose also. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Good. And now you observe here, you try to interact with we'll discuss on which maybe there for each one we need to tell maybe question differently anyway up to 5 are finished we may go with the env and arc see somewhere env and arc where it is there even arc is there or not there see observe their env is there their arc is there they are going very important maybe real time projects without using env without using argument that project will not finish. That much of offer. He is joining. Murali, I think you are a little bit late. I hope I don't know. Okay, no worries. Please continue. Now, see here, we want to work with create a or okay, no problem. Okay, or else create a Docker file, Docker file for env and arg instructions. See, our duty is very simple. See, I am clicking my existing Docker. I am in Docker only, right? See, Control A, my here. Control A. Here, what will you do? Place your cursor. Observe here. Observe here. Insert that cursor. It got replaced. I am going to clarify what to do, how to do. Those things also very important. If you want to work with VS Code with Copilot, that's what I am giving such clarity. Anyway, what it is there? The second line everybody knows. Are you agree with me? No doubt regarding second line. Ganesh, is it okay for you? From represents a base image. What is the base image? Alpine some tag version 3.20. I hope no difficulty. Next we are coming to the ARG. ARG represents an argument. Argument is nothing but variable. Argument is nothing but variable. We are going to tell one variable name. What is the variable name? App version. There we can give your name also. But maybe some meaningful names, maybe conventions we are going to use app version. In fifth line, any difficulty? When you use or instruction to create a variable, to create a variable. See which type of variable? This is the build time variable. See, runtime is different, build time is different. Generally, variables will create at build time only. Build time only. See, set an environmental variable. Even see here also, see Windows key R. There I may go for or UB Ubuntu. Observe carefully. Sudo -i. The DevOps simply env. Am I getting environment? Please observe here. These are all environmental. This is the name we are going to set with org. Through env, we are going to set into system variable. We are going to set into system variable. I hope you got the clarity. The difference between org and env, we are setting. How we are setting? That app environment is equal to whatever whatever you want you can. Suppose you want to set this one. What to do here? You can assign here. You can assign here. How to assign? We assigned here. Suppose here also if you want to assign, copy this and paste it. Add dollar sign before. Everybody got the clarity? There we are going to set which production. The name production we are going to set. See or a run instruction. Run echo. Run echo. Run means what I said. It will execute. Which commands will execute? Linux commands. Linux commands. What it will do? Echo is the Linux command. You want to see? Yes, I am going to show you. Why I am going to show you parallelly? If you got the clarity, very easy. See, welcome. Welcome. Am I getting the output welcome? Yes or no? Echo welcome. See, you want to see echo today date. Today date. See, I want to see the date also. What to do, man? Echo today date colon dollar sign. It is the date. Same thing they are going to apply. Am I able to getting yes or no? Clear,
Yes,
Ganesh?
sir.
Good. Same look and feel here is there or not? Same look and feel. See, run echo building version. What is the version in this specified here? This is the. See, same thing I am going to set here also. Control C. Here also, same. There, right click. How to display this? Anyone can guess? Tell me the command just now we have seen, right? I want to see the output 100. That is my intention. You may tell like this echo app their caps on app underscore version. Shall I get the output or not at that? Please respond.
Not sir.
Not. Why?
Uh, there is
Pinchu.
no
No?
command.
Command in the sense?
Like date.
No, 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 no. Just you are thinking differently. Now what I specified here? Echo dollar sign app version. Is it okay for you? See, Anvesh, is it okay? Anvesh, what is your intention? I'm going to tell you. Echo, your intention is, I know your intention. Sir, you need to use like this, but there is no command you are telling. For command, what I am using? Open brace, closing brace. Are you understanding? For variable, what I need to use? Please observe carefully, everybody. This is very, very important. In Linux, two types of substitutions are there. Two types of substitutions. One is I explained variable. Second one is what I said. Anyone can quick response? Command. If it is variable, what they may use? Quick response, lower bracket. If it is command, what we need to use? Anvesh, now you got it?
Yes, sir.
Monica, got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
See, same thing here is there. Same thing here is there. If I explain directly Docker, sometimes I may not explain. Same thing I am using in Linux because of these are the Linux commands only. After run, whatever you may use, that is the Linux command. Echo is the language constructor. Language construction. What we are doing? Building version, that version we are going to display. And also see run echo environment is app environment. What is the app environment having? Quick response. App environment is
Production.
having production. What is the output you may see? 1.00 and production. Next, what to do? Quick response, anyone? Okay, it is copied, control yes. What is the next step? Manually tell me, anyone? I want to create, I want to build an image. I want to build an image. Tell me, anyone, command how to build an image.
Docker build.
Docker build, whatever you say, I'm writing,
INT.
PUILD build, hyphen T. What is the meaning of T, man?
Tag.
Tag.
Tag. What is the image name? You tell me, maybe I am taking MOUNA, Maunika, version 1. Hmm. Without using dot, it will work, may not work. Dot
May
is
not work, sir.
not, dot is mandatory or optional?
Mandatory, sir.
Mandate. See, I am not using dot. See what it is saying. Run Docker build X something it is telling. Got it? That is not understanding. We are going to use dot. What happening? The error during connect. Say now my Docker is not started. That is the problem. Actually, not our problem. Docker software is still not started because of I restarted. Why I restarted? I'll show you. Yesterday you have seen, right? Yesterday you have seen how much GB? Only 700 MB. Today I cleaned many files. Many file I got clean up. I'm starting Docker. Once you know very well about all the Docker instructions, 50% Linux commands also you may learn. Now Docker engine is running. Minimize, don't close. Just going to prompt where I am in. I think this is our yes. And now up arrow, yes, enter. Now see here. How to run ma? How to run ma? I want to see the output.
Docker run.
Docker run. What next? Docker run.
Name hyphen D name.
Here, which type of image they are going to use? All file. For all file, no need to use ma. See, like OS based images, no need to use D. Try to remember.
Okay, sir.
Hyphen ID. What is the image name? Maybe I took MOUNIKA colon version. An IT. We use hyphen IT only, right? But why you didn't see the output? Run echo. Run echo. Only image creation time it will work. Okay. I want to see the output, right? Oh, we'll check it. We'll check it. After PS. Just now we created this one only. No, right? Where is our container? What happened? Our Monica container, ma? Is it not that one, right? After, after images. Yes, Monica V1 is there. Okay, anyway, I'm going to use Docker. You will see the Docker run hyphen name XYZ. Even I'm using hyphen D also. Check it. Actually, no need, but we are giving. If I use D means I must give port number. I think here is no need of any port number. That's why D is not necessary. D is not necessary. But anyway, I'll take the help of Copilot now. Uh, how to run. Also, it is telling something. Okay. That is the problem. Docker build, okay. I can build a okay, that is Docker run RM. That is also okay. But I want to see the output, right? It will show the output actually. Not at image creation. Internally, it will take. This is the thing I want. Program is same only. Please observe here. Little modification. Are you able to see? Control C, Control A, Control B. There I am going to build once again. Escape. Am I did any modification? No, right? Control A, Control B. Yes. Escape. Escape. CLS. Docker build already there, right? Docker build. Docker build. I'm going to use version 2 now. Please remember. Now Docker run. Docker run. Hyphen IT. Hyphen IT. What is the name I want to specify? MOUNIK Monica colon first. Is wrong. Okay. Yeah, Paro, I'm removing IT also. IT also not well here in this situation, but not getting output right. Select it. Select it. Is there a CMD? Echo is there? Yes, it is there. Yes, it is there. Just if I run it, I will see the output. Why I'm not able to see? Docker log, Docker log, logs only, right? Docker, right. Docker is not there first. CLS, CLS, sometimes is not there. Docker, Docker, run, Docker one, Docker column one. Not giving out. What was the fail? What was the fail? I want to see the output. It will, we will see. Already I did such an experiment. Today only I did. But why I am not able to see it? Could tab environment add the wrong. Where is the wrong? CMD. Here in one terminal. This document Docker logs. Yes, yes. That's what I use a Docker log, right? Should appear in your terminal. That one only not appearing. Docker one rm hyphen rm and nika colon version 2. This is the step one. Good. Next, what they are going to tell with the name with my app. Name with my app. You miss the output, check the logs. Okay, check the logs. Then once again, I'm going to create this. Copy, paste it. There, monitor, and go to nika code version 2. Yes. Docker logs logs my hyphen app hyphen test. No, data is not there. We don't know why. Okay, I'll check it. We will see the output 100%. Clearly, you are able to see, right? App version 2.0. The same way, app environment also we will see like this. We will see like this. Click here, click here. Internal things maybe managing those things at all. That's what. Now we are going to this is the maybe problem. Okay, I'll change it. Fix. Using copilot. JSON format, they are expecting. JSON format in the sense file brackets, that's all, nothing is there. See, now it may work. Oh, yes, oh, yes. CLS Docker build hyphen T X colon V1 dot. Here Docker run. I think no need to use remaining things. Simply I need to give X colon V1. Now see, are you able to see the output or not?
Yes, sir.
Only the problem is, see, our latest Docker is not supporting general method. Only this is which type of method? This is JSON format. That requires JSON format. That is expected. That's why it is not able to show the output. CMD, what is the beauty of CMD? CMD will execute. I said somewhere, what does it mean? Anyone tell me? What is this?
Shell.
Linux interpreter shell. What does it mean? C represents command. C represents command. Which command it is going to execute? Echo. What echo will do? Echo will display content. Is it okay for you? Very, 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 very important. But Monica, I'm asking to you at runtime, this is the static mark. I hope are observing. Static means already we fixed 1.0.0. Your manager will say at runtime, hey, don't go for 1.0.0. At runtime, what they are going to ask 1.0.1, maybe not production, go for dev. What I want to display 1.0.1, not production, dev cover. I want dev, I want 1.0.1. They are observing here. This is the important flag. Multiple times they ask in interview. If I want to pass arguments at the time of build, at the time of creating a build. Build means creation of an image. Build means creation of an image. Shall I take this one? Please observe, or else I am going to write manually. See my build, darker build. Generally, what we can use? Hyphen T, right? Hyphen T, hyphen T. Before T, what we are going to use? Hyphen build hyphen arg. That means arguments only, right? But this is the case sensitive app underscore version. App underscore version. What is the version I want? It 1.0. Then what you want to set? Even app env also. App env also. App env. What to do? One more argument. Then I may go for app underscore env. App underscore env. What is that I want to use? Dev. What I want to use? Dev. Next hyphen T. Hyphen T. Next maybe Y colon. Y colon V1 dot. See, why it is giving a problem? Hyphen build or one more also hyphen build hyphen arg. How many arguments will set it? Two arguments. That's what we'll take like that. And now quick response, how to execute this? There y colon p. Not build run ma darker run. Check it. 1.0.1. Oh, there I think I want which one? Dev, right? But it is taking prod. It is taking prod. What was the problem? Anything we forgot? There we took build arg only, correct only. Build arg only. But it is taking one argument only, right? One argument. What happened? I took properly, right? Docker build hyphen build arg. In the same way, app version 1.0.1 hyphen build or app env correct only set it app env for argument only we need to use hyphen build or environment we can't set environment we can't set. If you have to set an environment, see I may do little modification. I may go for once again build, Docker build. This is okay. There I am going to do little change, hyphen E. Are you understanding? Hyphen E, app env is equal to dev. E represents environment. E represent environment. In place of Y, I am going to take Z. This modification you need to understand. Now, what was the problem? One E or double E? One E only, right? One E. Okay, I understood. Okay, good. Now what to do? Previous one only sufficient. What I may do? Docker run hyphen y. There I may go hyphen e. What is the environmental variable ma? App underscore env is equal to dev. Am I correct? What happened? Any missing? Docker run. There. After that only we need to use image name. y colon v1. See little modification. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
For argument, what is the flag ma? Now tell me. Argument, what is the flag?
Build arc.
Hyphen build. Build. Yeah. Is it okay for you? For environmental variable, hyphen e. Hyphen e. Clear. I. Now see. I think I cleared two instructions clearly. Now from OK, maybe CMD OK, EMB OK, and argument OK. Now we want to clarify the difference between copy and add. I'm going to clarify first. I'm going to my notepad, Windows key bar, notepad, C. For which purpose I written? I want to copy and add, right? You want to know copy and add. This is not for copy and add. Okay, leave it. I am writing here. Okay, write a Docker file for copy and add instructions. Copy and add instructions. Try to understand at the end, two lines may be there. What is the meaning of copy? Anyone read it? Is used for simplify directory copy. What does it mean? Local to local. Maybe local to container. Is it okay for you? See, assume here I am going to create one file. You can easily understand. Copy bar. File name is abc.txt. There, welcome. There, control Z. Is it okay for you? This is the Windows based file creation. In Linux, what to do, ma? In Linux, if I want to create a file, you may use touch command, or you may use echo, or you may use cat. Is it okay for you? Have you seen these three commands, Monica? Three, do you know or you don't know?
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay. Here, see, if I go for, see the here only you can able to see abc.txt. This abc.txt you want to copy into the container, which is very useful. That copy, just directory, copy. But when coming to that, add also will do same thing, and also we can download it from web also. See, can also extract local tar archives like zip files now. It can manage zip files, and what it will do? It will extract and copy. That is the special thing. It will extract and copy. I'll show you practical scenario. First, I will apply copy. First, I will apply copy only. I will apply copy only. You may see the difference. Only copy. There, Control A. There, I am going to insert at cursor. Here I am removing add because of you may confuse. To avoid confusion, I am taking only copy. See from Alpine 3.2.0, this is the well-known story. Copy file.txt. But what is my file? abc.txt. Where you want to copy? Add file.txt. Anyone can guess it. This app where it is there, na? Anyone can guess it at least. Anyone can guess it. Did I create any app folder? At least respond. Did I create
No,
it?
sir.
No,
Test.
no, right? See, within the Alpine image, that is Alpine is OS, right? In that OS also some folders may be there, or agree with me? OS contains some folders, yes or not least.
Yes, sir.
That Alpine containing folder name is app. Within the app, what we are going to do? We are copying that abc.txt. That abc.txt. That line is clear, I hope. After this, what we are going to do? By using CMD, what we are going to do? LS, right? LS stands for
List.
List.
list. Hyphen L represents anyone? Long list. Long list. Long list. Slash R. Which files you want to display? Which files? Within app folder. Within app folder. Is it okay for you? Clear? Control S. That's simply we are going to Docker build hyphen I docker build hyphen t abc colon version 1 dot. That's all. Now tell me run docker run. I'm going to use hyphen it or else it will take care. No problem. Okay, first it will show automatically. Docker run. What is the name? ABC colon version. See, are you able to see? This is the long list, full-fledged information. Within that tab, what was the file is there? abc.txt. You may ask me, sir, I want to see those things. How can I see anyone can guess it? I want to see a small modification. What is the small modification? Docker run hyphen it. That's all. What happened? It properly used, right? ABC. Or else what to do? If that is okay, but I want to connect it to that. I want to connect with after PS what happened? That is not running, it is closed automatically. Okay, this is not an Ubuntu image, Alpine, that's why it is exited automatically. But actually, if I connect to container, I can able to enter internal. This is not full-fledged OS, maybe this is the mini OS. Docker run hyphen it. Oh, we are able to see the file only here. Anyway, this is copy is clear, right? Copy what it will do. This is the source local system. This is what within that OS having one folder. Within that folder, our file is able to see. Now we are going to add. Add. See, I'm taking here in place of copy, I'm going to take add. Observe here. Add. Now going to browser. There, take Tomcat. Tomcat download. Apache Tomcat. There, observe. There, wherever zip is there, this one tar.zip, observe carefully. Right click, copy link address. Copy link address. There, wherever abc.txt is there, control V paste it. Control V paste it. After pasting, what will you do? You want to place it into this area. This area. That's all. Is it okay for you? Clear? Now what I did, a little modification I did. What I took, that URL. Add can manage URLs, but copy cannot manage URLs. Is it okay for you? Everybody,
Yes, sir.
we can extract it, so we can copy into where? Within the app folder. Within the app folder. Control S, Control S, then I go for Docker, Docker, build, hyphen T, colon B1, dot, run. There simply go for AVL. See, it is moving to, but it didn't extract it, right? It will extract also sometimes will do, but not extract it. Simply copy it, but it will extract also. But in this scenario, not extracted. Extracted. Why it is not extracted? Check again. Generally, it will extract. And I yes. Okay. To do what to do. Is it okay for you? Little bit I modify observe. I'm using run instruction. What I'm able to do. This command everybody know, right? Tar means tape archive. XZF. X means extract. G means zip. F means file. There, this zip file you need to extract, and where you want to place within the app folder. Within the app folder, check it. After that, what will you do? That zip file you are going to remove. But generally it will do. But why it didn't do? Even I don't know. I'll check it once again. That is the original duty mark. Go for a Docker. Six colon V1. See, it is extracted, right? Are observing? Maybe that is not possible. We will do our way. Anyway, clear? Now tell me the difference between copy and add is used for simple file, but can also extract local tar archives or maybe extracting from web also. Extracting from web, that is the simple answer. Extracting from web. That is extraction means downloading also we can consider. Download it and copy it. Download it and copy it. Now I hope clear about copy and add. Now I go for CMD and entry point. CMD. There I written very wonderful document is there. I have shown already, right? That within my notepad, Windows here, their notepad. This is with, I am explaining first. If any difficulties are, I'm taking alpha and simply I'm going to use CMD. What I am going to echo, what will you display? Hello from CMD. If I use CMD, CMD will execute that echo will display hello from CMD. See Docker build I20 my image. What I created, the image name is what? My image. What I am going to do? Docker run that image name. What is the output I am going to see? Whatever we specified after echo, that will only display. Till now, clear or not? Quick response. Is there any
Yes, sir.
difficulty? Nothing will be there. Now, very simple modification. Docker run. Here also use the Docker run. Their image name. Again, what we are giving? Echo. Here, hello from CMD. Resume. Echo, I am giving DevOps one. DEVOPS DevOps. What is the output you may able to see? DEVOPS. What does it mean? See, I am going to clarify another way. Here assume A is equal to 10 is there must assume. Suppose if I use A is equal to 20, see in this instance A contain 10, in the next instance A contain what? 20. Is it okay for you? This is the first instance. This is what? Second instance. What does it mean? Wherever A is there, there what we are going to assign? 20. This is meaning of override. If you see generally override. But programming language usage is overriding means redefine. Redefine. Am I redefining or not? Please observe. Am I redefining or not? What I am redefining? Wherever hello from CMD is there, what I am going to do? Echo
DevOps.
DevOps. I'm replacing. At least you got the clarity. Technical word is overriding, but in general word is replacing. Anvesh, got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, we are coming to the entry point. Observe carefully. Same rule from alpha. In place of CMD, I am going to use entry point. Here also echo is there. Hello from entry point. Docker run my image. What is the output we may say? Hello from entry point. After echo, whatever it is there, we will say as it is. Till now, I hope no difficulty. Is it okay for you? Anvesh, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But observe a little modification. Docker run, my image. Extra thing what I am going, I am not giving echo. Please observe. Don't use echo. Suppose if you use echo also, it will consider. Please observe. Even if you use echo also, even if I use echo also, it will take echo and more assume. What it may do, what is the actual entry point echo value? Please respond. What is the actual entry point echo value? Hello from entry point. Hello from entry point. See, output is hello from entry point. After that, what I added here, please respond. Docker run, my image, echo and more. Here what it will do? Echo and more. Is it clear for you? Is it overriding your content? At least respond. Content is overriding or not? First respond. Content is not overriding. That's what I said. Entry point will not override. Entry point will not override. మీ కంటెంట్ రీప్లేస్ అయిందా లేదా ఫస్ట్ నాకు చెప్పండి, అది క్లారిఫై చేయండి.
No, sir.
నో. అయినా మీరు కొత్త కంటెంట్ యాడ్ చేశారు. ఆ కొత్త కంటెంట్ ఏం చేసుకునింది? ఇది అపెండ్ చేసుకునింది. అపెండ్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? దానికి ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ లాగా యాడ్ చేసుకునింది. ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. ఎల్ఎస్ మేబీ టెక్నికల్ గా చూపిస్తాను, ఎందుకు జనరల్ థింగ్. సి ఎల్ఎస్ ls hyphen L is one argument, T is one argument, R is one argument, I is one argument. Are observing? These are the multiple arguments. Anvesh, is it clear for you? This is one argument. Like that, what is the argument here? I added. After that, whatever you go, what I provided here? What I provided here? Echo and more. And the output ఏమైంది? Echo, echo and more. Now quick observation. Entry point sets the command. Entry point set the command to run, and any argument you provided are appended to it. Is it okay for you? Append means everybody know, right? At the end it will add is nothing but append. But see here, CMD provides default arguments for the container, but is overridden if you supply argument. కొంచెం బాగా చదివి ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడిగేసేయండి నన్ను. ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్లో నేర్చుకోలేదంటే ఎప్పటికీ నేర్చుకోలేరు. అది నా ఇంటెన్షన్. ఇదా ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడగకుండా ఇంటర్వ్యూ జరగనే జరగదు. డాకర్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ మనం ఇంటర్వ్యూ చెప్పాలని ఆన్సర్. If you use CMD, we can override. If you use entry point, we cannot override. ఈ సింపుల్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్తే చాలు, మిగతా కథ అంతా అవసరం లేదు. Which can override, which cannot override. CMD can override, entry point cannot override. వాడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అడిగితే జాగ్రత్తగా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి. I hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
Now we go for new thing. Now observe and tell me any missing things. Their copy okay, entry point okay. Now volume today I won't explain why, because Docker volume I want to explain. Without explaining Docker volume maybe little difficulty. Leave that one. User we can work with. User we can work. Shall we go for user? For example, see. Create a Docker file. A Docker file for Jenkins, at least. There we can able to see the user. That will take care of automatic. Is it using any user instruction till now? No. And we will update the Docker file. Docker file. Add user instruction. Now, what is the username here now for Jenkins file? Who is the user?
Jenkins.
If you want it, you can modify root user also. Root, root user, right? Like that we can. Anyway, I'm taking this one. You can easily understand it a little bit. Control A on this one. No problem. There, copy it. Control A, control. One day all the commands learning is little difficulty, but anyway, if you understand, maybe slowly you can learn. Now simply control S. Even my last batch or Markonda last batch, just 3 days we took only for Docker instructions. That is a manual approach, but not like this. Everything we may write, maybe from each letter also. Here no need to write because of everything is understandable. That is my intention. Docker build -it there Jenkins version 1. What happened? Any missing? Any spell miss? Docker build. Only right, only T. Now quickly see now. Docker. Docker. Docker 1. I'm not specifying anything. Simply I may go for image name. What is the image name? Jenkins V1. Jenkins V1. But we must specify -p, that is 8080:8080. There I'm not using hyphen D, but we can work. Now check it here. How to how to see this? Open browser, where local host 8080. What happened? 8080, right? The right of my 8080. Don't think 8080. You got it right? Yes, sir, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Simply what will you do? Then take this, Control C, take new browser. There you may paste it here. That is also possible. You may get one password. Here is not getting. Here is not getting. Not getting. Password is visible. In Linux, we can simply get it. In Windows, how to get? In Windows, how to get? I'll do it. Wait a minute. Okay, I'll do it in different way. Maybe because of here already password is there. Ma check it, ma. They provided. Please observe here. Are you able to see this one? This is the password. Controls. That's what I made. Now click on here. Control. That's all. Enter it. It will take care of everything. I hope you know everybody know how to install Jenkins. It is taken care of. Using Docker container for installing Jenkins. If everybody know it, I'm stopping because of, maybe in future again we'll discuss regarding Jenkins clearly. By using Jenkins image, we're going to enter into Jenkins environment. Shall I close this? Yes, I am closed. Set up Jenkins. Now, quick guidance. See here, user is okay for you. There we are setting the user. We are specifying the user. We are specifying the user by using user instruction. User instruction. See, we may discuss two more remaining. We'll see tomorrow. Already, maybe in my first class, I may use somewhere work dir. Is it okay for you? Work dir. Am I user or not? Quick
Okay.
response. Yes. Now, if you don't use work dir, what happens? Observe carefully. I'm taking notepad somewhere. The notepad is there. See, generally, if there is no closing this, see, run mkdir mkdir slash app. This is our intention. App. After that, what will you do? Run, run cd slash app. My here, how many times I'm using run command? How many Linux commands am I using? To avoid such complexity, simply work dir slash app. Now tell me which is easy. Which is easy? All of you.
Work,
Observing.
work there.
First creating, then moving. See, work dir. Work dir automatically will do these two things, making directory and changing into that area. And also fixing to this line, this line, this line, this line. But this run cd app only for next line. For the next line, it won't work. Work dir is applicable for the entire app. That is the power of work dir. Please try to remember. That's why nowadays we are not using run with KDR, run with CD. That is also possible. If you see old projects, they may use like this one. Good. Now, is it clear for your work here? Arc is also over. Now see, these are the special things. On build, stop signal, health check, shell and run we can use. Shell is also very simple. Shell means what? We are setting the we are setting the interpreter. Is it okay for you? Command interpreter. Maybe quickly we may see one example. See, once Our Docker is completed. I'm going to explain. Because of I implemented all the examples also, but these are the special cases. See, adds a trigger instructions for child images. You know the meaning. First we are creating one image, that same image we are using in another area. At that time only it will work. That means multi images. They simply, multi-stage image. Tomorrow at least I explain how to create multi-stage image. There you may see at least on me. Quickly, I may complete one. Docker file for Docker file for from which instruction? Shell instructions. What shell will do? Only Sina. I am setting the see where we are setting here. From here see which shell we are going to specify here. Whether you specify or not, by default one what I said, bash only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We are telling you try to use shell related. See, echo will execute based on pin bash. That is the meaning. That is the meaning. My APK, how many of you know the meaning? All by package keeper. All by package keeper add no cache. Now, meaning of no cache means every time it will download. If you specify, if you remove this, it here no cache means it will download every time. If you don't specify no cache, it will take internally cache. It will catch it. You know the meaning of cache memory. Cache memory is nothing but what it will do. It will hold the instructions. It will hold the instructions. It will give directly. It will give direct. See, same image if you create second time, already cached. Quickly it may complete. Quickly it may complete the image creation. That is nothing but cache. Shall I execute this? No need, right? Which shell we are going to specify? A C command. Which commands you are going to execute? Shell related. What is the shell related command by here? Where they are using echo. Final. This echo is executing with the help of bin bash. Now, in my way, majority of the instructions I completed. You may try your way. If any difficulty, just my intention is difficult in the sense you need to understand each letter. That is my intention, not over. Here, if you ask any code, I can able to explain because of in that way I am learning. I am going to give in that way also. See, even if not getting output, I am not leaving. I may do multiple ways. Maybe any one way, we must get down. Is it okay for you, everybody? Now, God, how much time we took? Nearly 1 hour is finished. Yes, exactly. 1 hour, 3 minutes.